Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews of Moose. I have another Boston Scally review to do here, unboxing and review. This is another one of their Christmas caps. And I'm hoping in this box is kind of small, so I don't think I'm going to be getting any coal for Christmas. But I'm hoping that there's something in there. I got one more opportunity to get it. I got another cap that's on the way. But this one here took over 2 weeks to get to me. No fault to Boston Scally. Looks like USPS, good old post office, ran into some weather. And I understand there's been weather everywhere in the Midwest, especially the Northeast as well. But yeah, so this is it here. And this definitely is a winter cap. It's a little bit more thicker. Now, with that being said, there's been some odd similarities to another cap company that looks just like this. Of course, you got the packing slip. Got the Cheers 25, 15% off code. Pin. Where's my pin at? There it is. I'm going to open up the pen real quick. And this is actually called the, what do you think, Ace? Looks pretty similar to another cap. This is called the Christmas Herringbone. Now, I don't believe this needs to be just worn during Christmas time. But I did get this in an extra large because Boston Scally does have sometimes a issue with sizing of their caps. This one definitely needs to be steamed. And this is the pin that I got with it. It's the old Christmas tree, old Christmas tree. Where's it at? There it is there. I'll go ahead and put that on there as well. But here is the Herringbone Christmas, red Herringbone Christmas. Like I said, it draws a lot of similarities to another company. I'll let you guys put your guesses in that comment section there. And I may even do a review showing the differences between them. This one here has a top end, but yeah, it's a beautiful looking cap. And just very oddly similar to another cap at all, or another cap company. But yeah, so what we're going to do is I'm going to show you guys a close-up of this cap. And it doesn't look like I got the coal. That's another thing, is like this whole coal thing. You know, there's only 500 made. And I belong to every Facebook group of Boston Scally there is. And I've only seen a handful of people show that they have gotten that. Now, out of 500, I would think more than a handful are on Facebook. Unless there's so many people that are buying these caps that are not on social media to show that off. Because if I got it, I would show it off. But because it's 1 out of 500. It's either that, or they're just not on social media, or Boston Scally may be waiting until like the last day to ship them all out. So for those people who place the orders on, like, I think the last day was the other day. But anyway, maybe they're waiting to ship them all at once. I don't know. I got one more opportunity, but we're going to go show a close-up of this and see what it looks like. And here is the Herringbone Christmas. It is red herringbone. It's a great looking cap. It really is. And as I like the other company's cap as well. And it's size extra large. Got the Boston Scally logo in there. Yeah, it's a great looking cap though. I mean, it's just where, you know, I'm going to have to do a review between the two and show you which one I think is better. But that is it there. Red herringbone. Now we're going to go back and try it on. All right. And I do take recommendations, suggestions, type things like that. And LP Rose Poem told me not to say that I'll be right back anymore. So I'm going to try to refrain from saying that anymore because he said, we already know you're going to be back. I was like, yeah, you're right. I guess I don't need to say it. So now we're going to go ahead and take off the hound here. This is another great cap by Boston Scally. If you don't have one of these, whenever it comes available, hurry up and snatch those up. But here it is, Christmas Herringbone. Oh, I didn't even notice this. Look at this. It's got the holly leaves on there. See that? Huh. Look at that. Look at that. Moving on up in the world. Moving on up. All right. Let's go and try it on. Yeah, good thing I got an extra large. Good thing I got an extra large. This is a great looking cap. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm not going to. It fits great. Feels great. Let me make sure my seams are straight. All right. Even got straight seams. Check that off the quality control list. But yeah. This is the Christmas Herringbone. Great looking cap. It really is a nice cap. Oh, let me put the pin on there as well. Let's go and throw this pin on there. That way I can differentiate the two when I do the review on between the two competing companies. And there's that, and there is that. Put the back on there. There we are. We're in there like swimwear now. All right. Now we show off that Butamus pin. All right, what do you guys think of this? Again, this is the Christmas, the Christmas herringbone, red herringbone. Looks great, really does. And again, Boston Scally, great job on this cap. And look forward to my other review where I compare the two companies together. All right, as Reviews of Moose here, please like, comment, and subscribe. And everybody have a wonderful day.